आज हमने कुछ नया सोचा था और इसी चक्कर में हम निकल पड़े पंजिम के उत्तर पूर्व दिशा की ओर।
Alright guys, it's exactly 9:15 and I'm heading to my first location. So we are going to Surla Waterfall this time. So the initial plan was to leave early morning, catch the sunrise first and then leave to Surla. But ऐसे कैसे करके I managed to sleep at 2 and I couldn't get up early. So that is the reason why I'm leaving now.
जो नई चीज के बारे में मैं बात कर रहा था वो थी मोटो व्लॉगिंग, जो कि आप देख सकते हो। लेकिन गोप्रो माइक ना होने के कारण हमारा आइडिया कुछ खास चला नहीं। अभी तो हमारे पास ना तो कोई ऑप्शन था ना कोई उपाय।
So the initial plan was to go to Mahabaleshwar and Lonavala and all, which was like 4 to 5 days ride. But now I have cut it down to 2 days and we are going to Surla and Surla Waterfall. So the reason behind it, I think that Maharashtra is going on lockdown by some second. So we can also travel Ashlamkhan. I feel the most important thing, like the most very important thing when it comes to making a video or filming anything, like any type of content, you need a plan, जो कि मैंने आज नहीं किया, okay? Because I think in my entire series of YouTube videos, मैंने एक ही vlog में plan किया था, like exact planning, और last vlog में जो कि बटरफ्लाई बीच है, मैंने एक ही vlog, दो ही vlog में प्लान किया था। The one is Sinkerim and the second one is the butterfly beach. I mean, it helps a lot. जैसे अभी मैं राइड कर रहा हूँ and I don't know like what to say next. I haven't planned anything. We are good and we have got the gate.
So अभी के लिए मैंने जो है एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लिया है so that I could click some pictures and post something on Instagram and also a pee break. So यहाँ से सुरला वाटरफॉल जो है वो exactly 24 किलोमीटर्स 38 मिनट्स दिखा रहा है एज पर गूगल मैप्स। सॉरी, ओके, सो लेट्स हेड, चलते हैं, देखते हैं। यू एंजॉय द रोड्स, बट बिफोर दैट मुझे कुछ चीज़ सॉर्ट करनी है। दैट इज़ माई बैग, जो कि बैग है। आई वॉज टाइंग इट टू माई वेस्ट because it could be tied, and now I have found a solution for that.
Thank you so much, Erika, for this amazing bag. Whenever I'll be carrying that bag, I'll be saying thank you to you because it suits like for all the purpose, like for traveling, biking, matlab everything. So this is how I am kind of tying it to my bike since I couldn't find the bungee cords yesterday. Even Decathlon doesn't have it. I hope it will remain safe. Alright, the bag is ready. I am ready. चलते हैं. So for now, I just want to drink some water. So pani ka break. I mean, this will be like maybe less than 5 minutes break.
वाटर ब्रेक के बाद हमने भी एक छोटा सा ब्रेक ले लिया शूटिंग से और फिर पहुंच गया सूरल.
So after the Karnataka check post, you take a right to, you got a board on your left, but you have to take a right to Surla. उस waterfall कहाँ पे है?
वाटरफॉल वो बंद हो गया.
Oh shit.
तो इनसे मिलिए. यह सतीश जिसने हमारे व्लॉग को फ्लॉप होते होते बचा लिया.
कहाँ पे है लेकिन?
वो आगे है. वो सुसाइड किया था. वो एक मर गया था ना, इसलिए वो बंद किया.
देखने को भी नहीं मिलेगा. ओ तू गोयचा?
हाँ गोयचा.
कोई इंगाज रहा होता तू? वसंग दिसना वसंग को दिसना. कोण आसा थिंगा?
असं पोवपा मेळटलो तुका वॉटरफॉल.
खंयच्यान?
बोलसून चढावट.
बट ओके पोंग मेळ्ळो ते वयर मरे.
हो
थिंगाच पावला पुरो.
सो यहाँ से सुरला वाटरफॉल पहुंचाने का दारोमदार सतीश ने अपने कंधों पर ले लिया.
ओके बन जाएगा. सॉरी कितने बॉयज? ओके. So we are trying to find out where exactly is the place. This man behind me, Satish, is trying to help me out, and so we have to walk a little. What we are doing right now, I have to carry all my luggage and helmet too. Only the bike I have kept behind. मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि इतना हेक्टिक होगा सुरला पहुंचना, but yes, we are finding it somehow. Right, as of now, I'm completely exhausted. पता नहीं है कभी पहुंचेंगे, but I hope it will be worth walking so much, riding so much. Let's see. So earlier, the behind structure which was broken used to be a police station. I wonder why. मतलब इतनी ऊपर डोंगर पे क्यों यार? I find it pointless. Okay, we are about to reach. There he is waiting. exactly there the water flows from. Right now it's completely dry, and I mean, I'm not regretting that I couldn't go there, because even if I would have gone there, it would have been pointless, because without water nothing. We'll try and come in monsoon if they allow to. I mean, हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं. We have got to see a very nice scenic view. I'll just take some B-rolls. You enjoy the B-rolls, but as of now, at least you guys know that where Surla Waterfall is and how does it look when there is no water. That is more important. So be positive.
और ये व्यू एंजॉय करने के बाद तो पेट में तांडव मच रहा था, और फिर सतीश साहब ने हमारी खातिरदारी में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी, और इस तरह हम दोनों अच्छे दोस्त बन गए, और मैंने एक नया दोस्त भी बना लिया.
So with that, we have finished a little bit of snacks and some couple of drinks, and it's time to say goodbye to Satish. Thank you so much, Satish. Thank you so much. I mean, it's a different experience meeting new people, but these kind of people are very helpful. Like within a couple of hours, we have become like really good friends. He also rides, and we are thinking on joining on at some point together on a ride.
अब तक तो सब ठीक था. कहानी में ट्विस्ट तब आया जब मुझे मेरे घर से कॉल आया और मुझे किसी इमरजेंसी की वजह से घर लौटना पड़ा. लेकिन उससे पहले
Alright guys, so I have taken a short little break, and at a viewpoint, this will be probably the last break for the day. This is the time where it comes when I said like I'll be talking about a tip or about something in life. So let's talk about travel today. For me, traveling is an experience. I think अगर जब भी आपको मौका मिले ना, you should travel, because आपको कल मौका मिले या ना मिले, that you don't know. So whenever you get a chance, you should travel. So many people ask me that like if I travel, I will waste money. As per me, traveling is not a waste of money, because traveling is an experience. You are on this earth, and if you don't see what it is, then living on this earth is I feel useless, or it'll be a waste. Another reason why I like to travel is, for example, today I met a new person who is familiar like to me, who likes to ride, जिसको riding करना पसंद है. He has done a lot more than me, so definitely I learned like 1-2 things from him. So, and he also must have learned something from me. Like since I make videos, he doesn't. So you get to learn a lot of things. You get to face a lot of challenges. So if you are one of the person who likes adventure, and who likes new things every day, and who likes new challenges every day, just go ahead for it. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा जो पर्सनल ओपिनियन है, you should travel as much as possible, and whenever you get a chance to travel around with friends, you should go ahead with it. Second thing is, whenever you travel, it remains as a memory throughout your life. See, more than what I'm making these videos, it's in your mind that yes, I had done this at this point of time. So never miss a chance if you are getting to travel. Anyway, if you don't get a chance, I am here. Like, you guys travel with me, I'll take you on virtual tours. So yeah, with that said, I'm ending up my vlog. I'll be at home maybe by around 7:30, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, live in peace.